Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and today we are going from this to this. Okay, let's begin. So I'm using needle crochet number 9, which is 0.85 millimeters. This is my favorite needle crochet of all the time. I love to use it because it has a small hook, and with this thread that you're seeing, I'm gonna wrap it around the crochet from the middle to just protect my fingertips while jabbing or making the locks. So I'll just go over it several times the way you're seeing. I'll secure it so that it won't unravel. So here we go. And I'm using this tool to get the exact measurements that I want. So today I'll be doing 0.5 centimeters, which is 16 inches dreadlocks attachments, which is perfect for thick hair. So if you want to try a dreadlocks extension and you have thick hair, the length, it doesn't matter, but for the thickness, 0.5 centimeters is perfect for you. So I'm using fluffy kinky hair the way you're seeing, and I'll begin by loosening the kinky hair until it turns into a fluffy afro texture. You can use a comb if you want to, and I will really take my time doing this because it saves time and effort while crafting the locks, and at the same time this will help to blend smooth as I form the lock. So from each strand that I'm loosening, we're gonna see how many locks I'll get. And since I don't want the tail or the tip of my locks to be long, I'll fold it into 3 the way you're seeing before I begin. Now, the kinky hair, as you can see, is on top of my second finger, and to control every pull and twist over, I'll be using my thumb to twist over after every pull. I do hope you understand. And to form the lock, I'll use a repeated motion with my crochet in and out. So first, what you need to do, you just insert the needle into the section of hair, which is the fluffy kinky hair that I'm using. Second, you just pull some hair out slightly, then block it with your thumb finger, and this helps tangle inside the section. Third, you just push the needle back in again, grabbing a different part of hair, block it again with your thumb, and just repeat the process. But as you pull out, some hair might break, but don't worry about it. So that is what I do to form my crafted dreadlocks the way you're seeing. And as I mentioned earlier, I love to use a single crochet because it's my best. It just gives me control over every pull, and it builds the lock slowly and tightly, not too tight, layer by layer, the way you're seeing. So this hair was ordered by Lovens. Lovens, thank you so much for ordering with me, and I just decided to share this video with you all. So thank you so much for watching up to this point. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Faith. I'm a cosmetologist specialized in crafting locks. So towards the end of this video, we're gonna do the packaging and ship it to Lovens, and he's in the US. Thank you so much for choosing Janelle Hair Collection. And when I'm done with this section, I can repeat it again until I get the desired firmness. And again, I'll do palm rolling to maintain the shape of the locks, and palm rolling reduces the frizz and help the locks to look mature and natural. Okay, so it's as easy as that. And for the first time you trying this, I promise you it's not gonna be easy. Since your hands are not used to it, you'll find yourself sticking your fingers. So that is normal until you get used to it. And once you do it over and over and over again, it's gonna be easy, and you love to do it on your free time. So share with me your experience doing this type of handmade dreadlocks in the comment section below this video. You can give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend who love dreadlocks extension. Okay, Now, up to this point, I do hope you can give this a try and you're finding this helpful. And as I mentioned earlier, from each strand, we're gonna see how many locks I'll get. So 2 strands of the black kinky hair, I managed to get 5 locks the way you're seeing. And the brown strand, I managed to get 5 tips, and that is because I'm working on uh, thick dreadlocks, which is 0.5 centimeters. And if I could be working on 0.2 or 0.3 centimeters, then I could get more. So don't forget to palm roll to reduce the frizz. So this is very light, it looks more natural. So this is 80 strand. So 80 strand is enough for a full head. And as I mentioned again earlier, Lovens ordered this hair with me and I decided to share it with y'all. So I'm gonna do the packaging and you get the needle crochet that I used to craft these locks for free. Again, I'm gonna send him these charms, okay, for the locks. I'll do the packaging and then I'll carry this to the carrier, and it will take 8 to 10 days until he receive the lock. So when I go to the carrier, I'll be given the tracking number, and then I'll come back home. I'll use my laptop or computer. I'll just go to my store, which is on fourth wall. I'll fill my tax information. So if you're watching this and you're a creator or you just want to create a personal store, you should try fourth wall. And fourth wall helps you to build a store easy. I build mine in only 10 minutes.